No, cut the fucking track. I'm here today because we got something serious to talk about, and I'm tired of you guys being taken advantage of. So go inside of your room in your house, try to find some headbands, some dog headband scarves. I'm using a dog headband. I cut off the triangular part of it. I made it both corners flush. That's what I'm showing you right here. And then you're going to put them together, and you're going to use a hot glue gun and glue them together. You can incorporate the hanging off parts. That's what I'm trying to show you here, but I didn't. I just cut them and just kept it triangular. So yeah. Then yeah, I think this is the last part where I show you that you could use them possibly, but it's just too long, so I didn't use it. Make sure that you have your hot tools to the side and that you don't burn yourself. So next, make sure that you leave no air bubbles and there's no space and no gaps in the seams that you're going to make of your mask. It's very important. You don't want any excess air getting in. See how I had those gaps? No, I'm going to go back over it and fix it. You can see I got some glue in there, but not enough. And then I could have made another mask out of that, but I didn't end up doing it. But it's okay because we're not going to waste any fabric. I'm not going to. So yeah, I just had my other mask to the side, my proper mask to compare sides.
To go over this mask. It's not to protect you from anything. It's just to be an extra barrier. So I could have made another mask out of this. Ooh, fuck up. Whoops. But anyways, I'm going to take the edge right here and I'm going to cut it into 2 slits and then glue them over the edges with my makeshift bands, wherever I put them. My makeshift bands underneath, oh, right here. Oopsie, they're right here. So yeah. And then that'll be it.
I pondered on how do I make ear straps, and then I realized that you can go ahead and you can repurpose headbands.
I have my slit to go over it, and it looks just like that. And I know that this will go over my ear and over my proper mask. Well, look at that. I know she ain't pretty, but shit, y'all. What you want me to do? We're recycling. We're not buying anything new, and we're not being taken advantage of. We're being creative out here, okay? We can do it. We can do it ourselves. So there you have it. Honestly, this turned out like way better than I fucking thought. I'm actually proud of this. Like, look. I know it's ratchet, but come on now. You gotta hand it to me. Come on.
In case you're curious, hey Riley, it's made with glue. Can I wash this mask? I'm going to go ahead and say no. It is not for long-term use. I'm going to make several of them. I suggest that you make several of them and do not wear them outside unless you have a barrier underneath. The point is to change the sanitary underneath barrier. Come home, wash your face, shower, wash your hands. Do not touch your hands at any point in time wearing this. Thank you. Have a good day.